What is truly essential in healthcare? You need to be able to diagnose and you need to be able to manage diseases. We need to be able to save lives. Can you do it at a cost that is affordable to people? And can you deliver this wherever people might be? So affordability, accessibility, accountability of healthcare in terms of the quality of care being delivered is what healthcare is all about. And how do you achieve that? What we do is build technologies to ensure that you are able to deliver better healthcare anywhere, anytime to everybody at a cost at which they can afford and outcomes that can be measured and substantially improved. That's what we do. First created a semantic algorithm-based clinical decision support system. On top of that, built a EMR telemedicine combined system which allows doctors to interact with patients whether they are in front of them or they're remote, gather the data in the best way possible, create safe prescriptions, store that as a record so that it is available at fingertips whenever the care team needs it. Most people think that telemedicine is a video between a doctor and a patient. It's not true. What goes inside the pipe, what needs to be asked, what data needs to be gathered, what answers need to be given is what makes it digital health. You can come into the system from a simple phone line. You can come in if you have data, if you have a smartphone or a laptop or any kind of access device. Then digital clinics, whereby everything from your consultation, examination, investigations and medications can be completed. If you fall ill and your life needs to be saved, then you have a complete digital hospital.
The project carried out by the Global Healthcare System Private Limited. My congratulations and my appreciations and a thank you from all the people of the state.
Automation prevents medical errors. A digital hospital, which we call HelloLife HX, it's a 200-bed hospital where every bed is monitored. What is the ventilator functioning? What are the modes? How much air is being pumped in? What is the EtCO2 and oxygen, carbon dioxide, everything? What medicines are being pumped inside through the injection pumps and syringe pumps? Allowing doctors to remotely examine the patients.
The doctor can log into Litmus DX to view the data from the patient monitor remotely. As Litmus DX is integrated with the devices in the hospital, so the doctor can select the patient from his IPD list, select any patient for review, and check the patient monitor and ventilator data. The doctor can go for a more detailed view by selecting the relevant data. The doctor can check the ECG. The live ECG is directly being shown here from the device through the integration. The doctor can always ask the nurse to switch on the video of the patient if needed. The doctor can fill all the medical details right from the complaints, history, to medicines, to the notes. After collecting all the relevant details and feeding in all the inputs, the doctor can directly press Done and complete his review here and send Submit.
100 days, 200-bed hospital. Fully digital, more advanced than anything else that we've seen of before, and at a cost which is almost half of what it costs to build such a hospital. Phygital healthcare. It's more than physical, it's more than digital. It's the latest technologies operating in the physical sphere that makes healthcare accessible, affordable, and accountable to everybody. And we look forward to partners to joining us. It's not one person's goal, it is what we all need. Healthcare must become a human right.